Hey y'all, Diamond Painting Cajun here. How are y'all doing today? My name is Debbie. Everybody calls me Cajun. I'm Diamond Painting Cajun and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. So, if you have not hit the subscribe button, please consider doing so. Y'all probably can see the glare. Hold on, let me take this down. Yeah, that's better. I was trying out a light, but it's not working out. Anyway, I have a PR package from Globeland to show y'all. This is a new to me company. They reached out to me and I accepted the invitation to review some of their products. I haven't tried any of their products yet, so I'm going to review them and I'll work on one of them and I'll do a completion and show y'all what it looks like. So we're going to get started and I hope everyone's doing okay, everybody. Y'all leave me in the comment section what y'all working on and how y'all doing down below. All of these products I am going to leave in the description portion of this video. I'm going to leave the links for you guys. And I also will leave a coupon code if y'all want to order something from Globeland. I'll leave a coupon code so that y'all can have 10% off, for 10% off. And thank you to Globeland for sending me these products to try out and show my audience. So, yeah, so let's get started. Y'all, I missed you guys. We're going to open this. This is probably packing list, yeah. Okay, so first things first. It comes in this Ziploc bag too, y'all, so I don't know, you know, it's cool because I save these. I use them, so I reuse them, should I say. Okay, and here's another one. But they do come well packaged. These items came wrapped in bubble wrap, and so it was well packaged. So they didn't get damaged or anything else. I'm gonna put that there. All right, so this is a set of 2. And I'm gonna take them out. I'm going to take one out, but I'll show y'all one. And it's also wrapped. This is a glasses case for your glasses box. And it comes in a set of 2. And the set of 2 is $12.44. Oh, Lord. $12.44. The set of 2 is $12.44. And it is a diamond painting glass case, okay? So, it comes, like I said, instead of 2. Inside the glass case box comes everything you need to diamond paint the front, the top. It is leather too, y'all. It's leather. It's very nice, well-made leather. It doesn't feel cheap. It's magnetic. So you put your glasses in here and it closes like that. And you diamond paint the top portion. The drills, it comes with the drills and the toolkit for each one. Comes with a set of drills and toolkit. The toolkit consists of the diamond painting pen, the wax, the bolt, and everything you need to complete it. Let's open the drills. Since there's not many, I'm going to open them. So we have these. I don't know if y'all can see. Wait, let me turn it. We have those. We have this, which is like a chameleon color. Chameleon green, because I do have rhinestones like that. These. all of these pretty colors. Let me see. I think y'all could see them better this way. Yeah. They're so pretty. These are the colors of rhinestones that are going to go, or drills, whichever you call them, is going to go on the top portion of the glasses case. And I'm not going to take the paper off because it does come, it's, you know, it's just like a diamond painting. You take the paper off, the plastic portion off, and you put the drills on. So again, and it's, I love the colors and the pattern. Look at that. I love it, y'all. It's so cute. I got one for, I'm going to make this, not a God. I'm going to make one for me, one for my mother. I thought that was so cute. And I'm going to show y'all when a completion, I'm going to make a completion video when I'm done to show y'all how pretty this is. Y'all know this is going to be pretty with all these pretty colors in it. Look at that. I love, love, love it. It's so pretty. So pretty. And it is well made. And like I said, I'm going to have the description. In the description portion of this video, I'll have the links to everything. So that's that for that. And I have another thing. Oh, I forgot a big rhinestone. But see, these I don't mind taking out because these are not difficult to put back in the little bag. But when it comes down to a big painting or a big item, no, I'm not taking it out because I don't want to fight to put that back. So I'm going to put this right back in there. And like I said, it comes with, each one of these come with the toolkit and the rhinestones for them, the drills. So this is, I got 2 other items. And it's washi tape. And this is so cute. It is a beach scene. And it says greetings. But it's a beach scene. It has watermelon and shorts and sunglasses and a beach tube and sandcastle and flip-flops. The sun, palm trees, so cute. I figured I could use this on a summer painting, you know, a beach scene or ocean scene or whatever. But me, I'll use it anytime because I use washi tape all the time for my paintings, for my diamond paintings. I section them off, so I can never have too much washi tape. And I have another one. And I'm going to take it out. And it's floral. It's pink flowers. So this is the second washi tape. And each one of these washi tapes are 99 cents. And it comes with pretty much, it comes with 5.46 yards. So 5 yards of washi tape for 99 cents. That is not bad, y'all. So I'm going to test this out on a diamond painting when I section it off, and I'm going to let y'all know how it worked out. And that is so cute. I love the pink flowers. Y'all know I like flowers. So. But those are the things that I purchased from, no, I'm sorry. Those are the things that they sent me. And if you want to purchase them, it's 99 cents for these 2 washi tapes each. 99 cents each. And these are $12.44 for 2. For the set of 2. $12.44. And these are so cute. I can't wait to do one and show y'all what it looks like. Because I've never done the eyeglass cases before. So, they're going to be so cute, y'all. So stinking cute. And like I said, it comes with everything you need in the box. So, and it's really good quality leather. The leather is really good quality. I find it's not like plastic or like, you know, I don't know. I find it good leather. So we shall see how this turns out. So I want to thank all you guys for watching. And I'm going to leave everything in the description, the links to these products in the description portion of this video with the coupon code. Y'all don't forget, I'm going to leave a coupon code so y'all can get 10% off if y'all ordering from them. Like I said, I haven't tried this company out yet, but I'm going to see how it goes. And I want to thank everybody for watching, and y'all have a great day. Bye, y'all.